Maybe you've heard about a recent surge in the number of cases of pertussis in Scott County. And you may also wonder, why do they call it whooping cough? I'm Marcia Lenz, and on the news at noon, I talked to Dr. Bill Langley for some background on the disease.
It's called whooping cough, which gives you an idea of how old-fashioned the term was. It's simply a very, very bad cough. It is in very violent spells, and then there's a long period where the child usually is exhausted and has to bring in a fresh breath, and that's what makes the whoop.
So if you want to see more information, you can watch the entire interview with Dr. Langley on the KWQC News app or website.